are going to unbox the new Realme GT60 mobile phone. This is a mobile phone box. Let's see what's inside the box. Open the box. Make it real. SIM ejector pin and some company booklets and some stickers and mobile phones case. Mobile phone type A to type C charging cable, 120 watts fast charging adapter. Realme GT60. First, you look at the back panel of this mobile phone. It's made of glass and looks premium and used to smooth. Have you seen the camera of this mobile phone? 50 megapixel Sony LYT 600 camera sensor is there, and electronic stabilization support, optical image stabilization support also there. Secondary camera is 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. Sony IMX 355 camera sensor is there, and dual flash also there. And you look at the display of this mobile phone, 6.7 inches curved display is there, and 128 refreshing rate also there, and then 600 nits highest brightness is there, and Corning Gorilla Glasses Victus 2 protection is there. And selfie camera is 32 megapixel Sony IMX 615 sensor is there, and mobile phone's bottom side in-display fingerprint sensor also there. This mobile phone's thickness is 8.65 mm thickness, and this mobile phone's weight 194 gram weight. Buttons and ports look like that. Mobile phone's right side volume up down button and power button is there. Mobile phone's top side mic, IR blaster and speaker grill is there. And mobile phone's bottom side speaker grill, type C charging port and mic and SIM tray is there. SIM tray have dual SIM support. You look at the operating system of this mobile phone, Realme UI 5.0 based on Android 14. Processor is Snapdragon 7 Plus Gen 3 chipset. Powerful processor is there. You look at the audio quality of this mobile phone, dual speakers is there and Dolby Atmos support also there. This mobile phone available in two colors, one fluid silver and racer green. And this mobile phone's price is 8GB 128GB storage variant price 31,000, 8GB 256GB storage variant price 33,000, 12GB 256GB storage variant price 36,000, 12GB 512GB storage variant price 40,000 rupees. Thank you.